Hey guys, it is Ryan, Jared, and Janelle. Awesome kids. Up there, you see, is Janelle. So, anyways, she's up there being cool, I guess. Anyways, today I'm going to be teaching you, zoom out. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper boat. Oh, and a shout out to Dogman Lord of the Fleas. Go check it out.
I get the new version.
Yeah, Dogman Brawl of the Wild. Don't forget to check out our Ryan's Reading when we do it for the first time. Okay, back to paper boats. So first, you grab your paper and you fold it top to bottom. Okay, just let me fix it. Make it lined up. Then, I think, do you guys know what the word crease means? Yeah, I probably do. I'm just going to say it. And then you're going to crease it. A crease is like when you do this to straighten it and make it flat. You'll have your paper like this. Next up, you're going to flip it this side to that side. And another crease. Then open it. Then you're gonna grab this part and put it here up to the line. Crease. Turn it around. Give it a little good crease. Grab this part and put another one of these and make sure it's exactly on the line. And then put a crease. And you're gonna lift this part up and you're gonna put it here. Then crease.
And you can add your own color to it.
Yep. Any design you want, but it's not ready yet. Then you turn it around. Then you add, then you do this. No, you don't. But first, if you did it right, you see you'd had these two triangles on each side. And you're going to grab these triangles, and then you're going to fold them on here, crease. Crease, then you're going to grab this one.
And it doesn't matter how small the triangles are.
Yep. If they're too small to fold, just don't. Then you're gonna crease. Then here comes the hard part. Hope you understand. You're gonna grab it, put it up on this side like this. Then you're gonna, you see these two lines? You're gonna grab it. Then you're gonna put your thumbs on these lines. No, I don't need any colors. Thanks, Jenna. Then you're gonna open it, and then it'll come out as a diamond. If you did not understand that, you can reset the whole video anytime as you want. And you're gonna grab this flap and all the way up and line it with this one. Crease. This is how it looks.
And please subscribe.
Yeah. Then you're going to turn it around and do the same. And crease. Will look like this, a triangle. Then you're going to open the triangle like I did again. And then you're going to reveal the paper boat. Then you're going to do a little folding it down. Okay, guys, this paper boat actually floats. Go try it. Then you're going to fold it down. Then you're going to crease. Then you're going to open it. This is how it looks. And you're going to open it, put your thumbs here. If there's a hole in here, make sure you close it or the water will just go in. It will sink. And
it.
There you go.
And
A paper boat. And now follow me and I'll show you how it floats. There's still time for the video. Okay,
Please
all we need
subscribe.
to do is fill up the sink. Okay, go fill up the sink.
Please subscribe, you guys.
Our
And-
sister.
And please give a shout out for Darkman Lord of the Fleas.
Don't forget to watch it. Okay.
And get the new version.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, my sister is filling up the sink. You just need to wait for the right water level. The right water level, stop. Make sure it's closed and make sure it's not too flat and not too round, but just right. Oh yeah, that was Janelle's drum. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And then you can blow it around to make it move.
And you can use it for races, obviously.
Okay, guys, I don't know when the video ends.
When does the video end?
Right now. In 6 minutes.
Yeah. So
Okay, guys, so we can tell you more about. So let's give out
a shout out.
to Dogman Lord of the Fleas.
And please subscribe. And thanks for. And
Oh, and just so you know, this is our brother Ryan. He's filming. Ryan, you don't need to do that.
don't blame me. I'm wearing pajamas. No.
Oh, yeah, wait.
Enough, guys.